Good day, folks. Today we are going to take a look at the new updated GoPro Chesty. This is a new version that was released about 3 weeks ago, and I just want to point out this is not so much of a review. I'm not going to be putting it through any kind of tests or anything like that. Basically, this video is just taking a closer look at it because I know there's going to be some people on the fence about whether they should upgrade to it, change if they already own the original Chesty mount. So we'll just open it up, we'll take a closer look at it, kind of see what's different. There's not really a lot of information on the GoPro website about why they introduced a new Chesty and what improvements they made. So let's just open up the box and we'll take a closer look. You can see that there's a bigger backplate here. That's the main difference that I see, and the strapping's a little bit different. I wish I had one of the old ones here so we could do a direct comparison, but I don't, unfortunately. Anyways, let's open this up. So in the box here, we have a thumb screw, we have one of the high-profile buckle mounts, and we have the Chesty. So let's open this up. Feels like a quality product, which of course, usually the GoPro products are. You can see here how it's got these little buttons here. That's how it connects now, just like that. So yeah, I know one of the complaints people had with the GoPro Chesty and different gimbals when they're mounting it. Say you're mountain biking and you have your Chesty on and you have a gimbal mounted. The weight of the gimbal causes it to flop back and forth. So maybe with this bigger backplate, it helps prevent that a little bit. Who knows? I'm not a mountain biker. I don't have really any way to test that. Especially I wasn't using the old one to compare to the new one. I just had this on. I'm a big guy and it fit with no problem. I have it right as big as it will go, and it fit comfortably. So it does fit a nice variety of body shapes and frames. So let's hook up a GoPro here. So yeah, there you go. The new GoPro Chesty. Looks like a nice quality product. Definitely. This wasn't really so much a review video because I really don't have anything to review it or compare it against. Just mainly a closer look, so if anybody's maybe thinking about upgrading to the new Chesty, they can take a good look at it and see how it all functions and how it works to see whether it's worthwhile for them to upgrade or not. So yeah, that is it. GoPro logo on the back of the strap there. You got adjustments for the shoulder harness part of it and the sides there. So yeah, the new GoPro Chesty. Well, folks, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.